Pilot offers a range of Sanitiser station kits to suit all needs. The cone mount and post mount kit are portable, high visibility options best suited to industrial sites or situations where a high visibility unit is desired. For a more discreet alternative, the wall and magna mount kits are perfect for areas with restricted space. The Sanitiser kits are also available in our telescopic post range. Choose from the fixed floor mount version or the mobile 20 kilogram base with wheels. We've found that electronically operated Sanitiser stations can have a high rate of failure. Our touchless Sanitiser station provides a hands-free alternative without the need for electronics. Operate by simply pressing your foot on the pedal to dispense the liquid in the pump bottle. The touchless Sanitiser kit is available in a standard 1 metre height, as well as an easily accessible 800mm high option for children. All kits include a 500ml pump bottle, cradle and drip tray, along with a detachable A5 Sanitiser station sign.